I have here a really pretty dresser. It's great for a little bedroom or anywhere else in your house that you want a little fun dresser. It has really pretty glass top, has all the storage space, really pretty lights, so it's going to be great for any place in your house. On here you can see there's really pretty lights on it. You can see there is a warm yellow, then a warm white, and then a cool white. On top here, there's this transparent glass. On top here, it's really pretty. So you can see the stuff inside here on top of that drawer and this drawer. So you can see even it's moving and you can see what's inside. On the side here, there's 2 USB and then 2 normal plugs that you can use, which are really nice when you're doing it for like your hair or just need a place to plug in whatever you have. This is a hair dryer handle, so you can put your hair dryer right here and have a place for it at all times. There's lots of storage space. You've got lots of drawers here and 4 drawers over here that slide really well and have lots of space inside. And this stool is really nice as well. There's storage inside this stool that you can put things. And then it also has a nice stool that you can sit on and store right under the little table. This dresser is really nice. It's really strong and durable. It's really nice. There's so much storage space up here and down here. Has a nice stool that's included, even with storage inside here. It's multifunctional with the lights and all the fun things on here with even the plugs. So it's going to work for anybody that needs a really nice dresser for their house.